What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am so excited to share an absolute game changer with you that completely revolutionized how I pack for trips, weekend getaways, and honestly, even how I organize my daily beauty routine at home. If you are like me, you know the struggle of packing for a trip. You have your makeup in one pouch, your skincare in another, brushes floating around at the bottom of your tote bag, and by the time you reach your hotel, you are digging through 3 different bags just to find your favorite lipstick or moisturizer. It is chaotic, messy, and wastes so much time. That is where this bad boy comes in, the 1PC Expandable Travel Cosmetic Bag. I grabbed this off Temu recently, and I have been testing it out on my latest trips, and let me tell you, I am officially obsessed. First off, let us talk about the design because the way this bag is structured is genius. Most makeup bags unzip at the top, creating a deep dark pit where everything disappears. This bag actually unzips to lay completely wide open and flat on your counter. You can instantly see every single item you brought without dumping everything out or rummaging around. When you look inside, the organization features are super practical. It features dedicated zippered compartments in the middle, which are perfect for keeping your brushes clean, securing smaller items like tweezers, or keeping liquid foundation separated so nothing spills onto the rest of your stash. The main side sections have a massive capacity. You can fit full-size bottles, bulky palettes, skincare jars, and your entire makeup collection all in one organized place. The build quality is another huge plus. It is made from a soft, durable PU leather that feels super high-end and luxurious, but it is completely water-resistant. If a bottle leaks or you get a little powder on it, you literally just take a wet wipe, wipe it clean, and it looks brand new again. Plus, it comes in gorgeous chic colors like white, pink, and black, so you can match it to the rest of your luggage aesthetic. Whether you're heading out on a summer beach vacation, packing for an overnight road trip, or just trying to declutter your bathroom vanity, this organizer is an absolute must-have. It fits seamlessly into your suitcase without taking up awkward space, and it keeps everything protected while you are on the move. If you want to grab one for yourself or upgrade your travel game, check out the link down in the description box below. Make sure to use my exclusive discount code CALMNESS3176 at checkout to unlock a special deal on your purchase. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this haul review, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment letting me know your favorite travel packing hack, and subscribe to the channel for more reviews. See you in the next video!